Daddy, and today I'm gonna show you one of my cool squishy in like water in there. So I'll show you very quick, and I'll not go to sleep yet because my mom is still doing my work. So I have a light bulb, and this light bulb is squishy. Play with it. And like a stick. It's stretchy, and I hope you subscribe and like my channel. So please subscribe and like my channel, and tell me in the comment that what happened if you had this and you say, is it stretchy or not? Tell me in the comment. Today there's a part 2 coming in tomorrow, so bye.